Hello everyone! In this video I will demonstrate how AI integrated into Excel can simplify your tasks. If you are looking for a quick approach to data analysis, Excel's AI is there for you. Instead of starting from scratch with pivot tables and charts, it offers you suggestions and customizable options to make adjustments as needed. So, after watching this video, you will be able to effortlessly analyze your data with just several clicks.
Chances are that you've got the data from your ERP system or another BI tool, and you are eager to perform swift analysis without investing too much time. If that sounds like you, you are in the right place. It's important to mention that this method is ideal when you have a structured data set. This means your data is in a tabular format, organized in columns and rows, where each column represents a single variable and each row represents a single observation. Take a look at this example dataset. This is a structured dataset comprising two date-related columns, two categorical columns, and three numeric columns. To ensure a smooth workflow, it's best practice to convert your data range into an Excel table. Just position yourself within the data range and press Ctrl T to create one. Video explaining the advantages of working with Excel tables, please check it out. In this example table, you will notice that data formatting is spot on. Numbers are aligned to the right and text is aligned to the left. If your data formatting is not as expected, numbers are not shown as numeric, then you can use the value function to correct it. Now let's use the AI tool to analyze this table. While situated within your table, click Analyze Data directly from Home tab. This action will provide you with 9 visualizations, and you can even ask questions or use the suggested queries. Once you find a visualization that suits your needs, simply insert it. A new page will be generated for you for pivot tables, for pivot charts, and for standard charts. It will be located on the same page. You can see that this is standard chart, how it is selected, and it's even insert chart. It is a standard chart, and others are pivot charts, and the first one was the pivot table. You can rearrange fields, adjust formatting, and make any necessary changes. When you download updated data, simply paste it into the existing data table. Ensure that the field names remain in the same order, otherwise make the necessary corrections. Then go to the pivot tables and pivot charts and refresh them. If your dataset contains many fields or is in an unstructured format, you might encounter a message that you may have too much data selected to come up with meaningful suggestions and try again. Or you can get a message like this. In such a scenario, you can optimize your dataset. If this feature is still not visible, you can create a pivot table manually from Insert and Pivot Table. Or you can use the recommended pivot tables. That is a quite efficient way as well. For a more comprehensive understanding of pivot tables and pivot charts, I recommend checking out my other video on this subject. You learned this Excel AI feature. With just several clicks, you'll have your data analyzed. Excel remains a powerful analytical tool, especially when complemented with Power Pivot and a range of valuable add-ins. Moreover, the recent integration of Python in Excel has even further expanded its capabilities.